Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the pregnancy mode on the FitPro application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings button down below and then click on activity and wellness in the middle of the screen. Tap on the second button, cycle tracking, and then click on pregnancy. Here you can set pregnancy features such as how long does your menstruation last. You can set the due date. You can calculate the due date. You should input your last menstrual period. That will automatically calculate your due date. So add your last menstrual period. The due date should be set. You can also turn on reminders 1 day before, 2 days before, or 1 week before. And you can also set the reminder time. And tap on the start pregnancy mode button to start your pregnancy mode. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.